Good afternoon. When you think of different cultures, what do you think of? I tend to think of music, clothing, and most importantly, food. My husband, Jason, is from Barbados, West Indies, and food is a big part of his Bajan culture. One of the most famous dishes of my husband's culture is brown stewed chicken. It is a vital part of the Bajan Sunday dinner, which includes peas and rice, tomato salad, macaroni pie, and bread. 12 years ago, I went to Barbados and I too tried the brown stewed chicken and I fell in love with it. And today it is a part of our Sunday dinner here in the U.S. Today I would like to share with you how to make brown stewed chicken. So let's start gathering all our ingredients. The first step is to gather all the ingredients. We'll need 2 pounds of boneless chicken, skinless chicken thighs, a half of a carrot, 1/8 tablespoon each of seasoning salt, onion powder, and garlic salt, a half a cube of chicken cube, 1 tablespoon of Bajan seasoning, 1/4 cup of ketchup, half a teaspoon of salt-free seasoning, and a teaspoon of browning. We also need, later on, is 1 teaspoon of flour to thicken the stew. Now that we've collected all the ingredients, let's mix them all together. First you will put in 2 pounds of boneless skinless chicken breast. You will put in the onion powder, the garlic salt, seasoning salt, mix the cube, put in the Bajan seasoning, fourth cup of tomato, half of the carrot, salt-free seasoning, and the browning. You will carefully mix all of the ingredients together. Once you carefully mix all the ingredients together, you will let that sit for 20 minutes. Once you've let that sit for 20 minutes, you will then pour water to the top to cover the top of the chicken. Then you will simmer down on, on low and cook for 20 additional minutes. While that's cooking, you can add your thickener to thicken up the stew. You will add, in a small bowl, you will add 1 teaspoon of flour, and you will add water, a small amount of water, to mix up to add to a paste. Once you get the paste prepared, you will add more water to thin it out. You will then need to add 2 tablespoons of the stew to the paste and mix it together and then add it into the stew. The brown stewed chicken is finished cooking, so let's put it all together. I will assemble my dinner plate. I will have some peas and rice. I'll place my sliced tomato salad on the side. I have the finished product here. You just take the peas and cover them up. I myself love the gravy off of the stew, so I like to cover it. And if you like, you can also cover the tomato salad as well. My husband does that. I like my tomato salad plain. And here you have the finished product, brown stewed chicken with peas and rice and tomatoes on the side. Now that you know how to make brown stewed chicken, let's review the 3 steps. The first step is to gather all your ingredients. The second step is to prepare and mix all of your ingredients together. The third step is to assemble your dish together. I hope this demonstration will encourage you to make brown stewed chicken. That way you can have a little taste of the island. Thank you.